guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with 4 new outfits and they are more for summer, if you will. So we're gonna get dressed together, try on some clothes, and create some outfits. Okay, so the first one is going to just be like a very casual, fun, like bright, colorful, kind of, I call it my like childish outfit, but I don't care. I love outfits like this and I think they're really fun and just make me feel like a fun mom. I don't know how to explain it, but nonetheless, that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to throw on these shorts that I got from H&M like probably 2 years ago. They're like a little cuffed light denim type of thing. They're a good denim short. They're not too long. They still cover like the thighs, you know, but they're not too short either. Like they feel really comfortable, and they are really comfortable. Like when you sit down, you don't get that thing that goes right up there and you're like, stop you dead in your tracks. All right, well, let's put on this little short that I got from Old Navy. I love this one so much. So cute and fun and fresh. Hello, Cooper. Come on in. Come on in. Pop this guy on. It's like fitted, but I got it in like a medium, I think. Oh, a large. I got it in a large. Yeah. I did it in my recent Old Navy haul. If you haven't seen it, I'll throw it in the cards. Okay. Just such a good little, like, I don't know, it's tight, but still like loose-ish top. I love this. Let's give it a little tuck. I'm gonna do something fun and go with my sneakers, like my Gazelles. I wore these the other day and really fell in love with them. They're just kind of like a fun, like, kind of platform sneaker. So let's pop these on, which is gonna be an invitation for a scuppy. I know it. I know it, Hampers. Hi. Hi, hello. Hello. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. I wish I knew Scout as like a baby puppy. Even though he like still like literally acts like he's a baby puppy. I mean, he's a puppy still, but. Yo, what's up, the babies? What's up, the babies? Hi, the babies. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I had to put on my outer shoe. Can I put on my outer shoe? Can I do that? Can I do that, please? I know, I love you too. I love you too. No. He says, what in the world are you talking about, lady? I thought we was hanging out. So we was hanging out, Mom. Something about a platform sneaker that just screams summer. Okay, and then last but not least, we're just gonna throw on a little sweater again for like those moments where it's like slightly cold, maybe in the morning, then warms up in the evening or whatever the case may be. But I got this one from Amazon. It's a I think it's from it's similar to the Cezanne Emile or Emily or whatever sweater. But I just thought this would be really cute to just kind of throw on. And I love a good red pop like this. Cute, right? Look number 1. Like I said, kind of my like childish, fun, colorful, like shorter short, but still like a good little outfit. I love this. I usually would wear this with like a white tee underneath. So I'm happy that I have kind of like a stripy sort of fun one. And then the sneakers just kind of like, I don't know, make me look like a teenager. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, girl. Like, would I get carded? No, I wouldn't, because I'm so old. But anyways, number 1, I love this. It's fun, it's bright, it just screams summertime to me. Besides, obviously, the sweater, but the sweater is like interchangeable because it's a sweater. You know what I mean? Can throw it over the shelvies, and we're good. So let's move on to look number 2. Look number 2 is gonna kind of be like a night out sort of outfit. I got this, not a night out. I mean, I don't go out, but you know what I mean? Like a dinner, a nicer dinner-ish. Not too nice, because again, I don't go to super nice anymore. But let's try it on. I got this top from Old Navy. This is also from my Old Navy haul. And it's like kind of like a boat neck, very slimming top. So I want to pair this with a pair of dark fitted jeans and a fun little flat. So let's pop on my Goldie 90s pinch waist. I've been really loving these recently. I forgot how good they are, and they're slightly ankle, kind of just too short, but they work. So let's put them on. They look good with a good flat. Okay. They're just like the perfect like medium to dark wash jean. So those are on. Very fitted like in the hips, but loose at the knees, which I think is flattering. Let's put on our little tank. See what I mean? This is just such a chic top, you guys. It's kind of like a boat neck style top. This is adorable. Just looks so much nicer than like just like a affordable top from Old Navy. It's got these nice slits, so I feel like it kind of like cinches you a little. Love. And then I thought it would be really cute with these pointed flats from H&M. Yeah, this isn't really giving like bright or colorful or anything like that, but that's okay. It's still giving summer, and I would probably pair it up with some more like jewelry. I have not stopped wearing these two cuffs that I got from Ana Luisa. Obsessed. And then I've been wearing this bracelet a lot too, which was my mom's from Avon, which I'm like, this is such a cool bracelet. I've actually gotten 2 compliments on it since wearing it. I finally made Scott like take out some links for me. And I actually used to not like it when my mom would wear it. I don't know why, but isn't it funny how just like later in life, we start liking things that our mom used to wear, and I don't know. It's fun. I love this. I think this is such a cute outfit for like a little date night, something very casual, but still like put together and super chic and super cute. And I would probably pair it with my little red bag. So that's it. Look number 2. I think we nailed it. I think this is so cute. I'm excited to go out. Take me out, Scott. Take me out. Take me out of town. Okay. Let's move on to the third outfit, which is another colorful one. And I was reminded that I got this yellow, like, what are they called? There's a name for them, which I cannot for the life of me remember right now. Shell. This yellow shell top. I was reminded that I got that because I put it away. I got it like when it was so cold, and I put it away in my other closet, and I forgot that I got that. So I was like, yay, it's summer now. Let's bust it out. So let's pop on that little yellow shell top, and we're going to kind of like accessorize and make the outfit like very summery. So let's do it. Oh, we have a little bit of a wrinkle. We're just gonna look past that. Okay, guys, we're gonna look past that. Let's put on our dark wash denim shorts. The more I wash and wear these, they become not so dark anymore, but that's a-okay. I love the way these shorts fit me. They're so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a front tuck type of thing. These tops are just so nice because they're so airy and like breathable. I love them. Okay, button back there. And then I'm going to accessorize with some brown, like a brown belt. Then I'm going to do my brown little Zara sandals. Switch that to the golds. And then, cute. Okay, but last but not least, we're going to go in with a little headscarf. Or like a scarf, and tie it around our hair. Ooh, this would also look really cute tied around the neck too, wouldn't it? Oh, let's just do that. Okay, fair enough. Fair. You convinced me. I need zero convincing for anything. Okay, so let's. I feel like it needs to go the other way, but whatever. Cute. Okay, love, love, love. Is there anything a like bright colored scarf can't do? Like it could be like hair, accessory, around the neck, like a little necklace type thing, which is adorable. So, love how this came together. Just like a bright, fun pop. Not that it like needed it, but I feel like it adds like a little something. You could always put it in your hair, around a pony, on a bag. I've seen people start doing them for belts, which used to be a thing back in the day, which is super cute, but love this. Don't want to change out of this. Happens every time, but you know that's when an outfit's good. Now, mental picture, take it in. Let's remember this one. Okay, Kelly, let's remember this one. I need to start watching my old videos. No, you know what I need to do? Take pictures and put them on my Pinterest so that I can be my own inspiration when I don't know what the heck to wear. Anyways, that was look number 3 that I want to live in, but we do in fact have to do the fourth and final outfit. So let's do it. This is what I originally thought. Just like a low pony. But the neck was cute. The neck was a nice touch. All right. Last but not least, it's a basic. We're going simple from basic because this is like one of my favorite outfits. So let's do it. Let's put on my little Liz Claiborne pants that I thrifted was it last summer? I think it was last summer. Let's pop these guys on. Oh, this is cute with this too. I've been all over the TikTok where people are doing their prom dresses and they're doing the, I don't know why you don't take me downtown anymore, you know? They're like, I got a dress that'll show a little But anyhow, it's funny, my prom season, I like feel bad for my mom looking back hindsight because prom season was always around Mother's Day and it was always around my dance recital, so it's never about my mom, and I'm sorry for that, Mom, and if you were here, I would tell you that. But anyway, hindsight, you know? Okay, next, shoes. I'm gonna wear these. I probably will, yeah, I'll probably keep these on. And then let's put on a little button up. This is the one I'm going with today. Hopefully it's not too warm outside. But in reality, I'm not spending any time outside. So it doesn't really matter. Yes. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, let's roll this up. We're gonna do like a short sleeve type of look to it. And I'm gonna leave it just completely undone. I probably honestly, for a hat. So good. Cute. I love a good white pant that's like baggy and slouchy. These are just everything. Do they still sell Liz Claiborne? I feel like that's like a Macy's or a Dillard's thing. But these pants, best thing I ever thrifted. So good. Okay. Oh, good. Oh my God. You know what? Speaking of so good, I have to show you guys. Have you tried this lip balm? Edam, or whatever. I don't know. I just got the mochi one because butter mochi. This is the best lip balm I've ever tried in my entire life. The best. Thick, cushiony, doesn't melt though. You know what I mean? When you have a thick lip balm, but when the heat of your lips melts it. I hate that. So good. Okay. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I always am curious to know what your favorite outfit was down below. I honestly love them all. They were all like complete hits. And I wasn't feeling like it was gonna be that way until the balls started rolling, and then I was just like, yep, I love it all. Cool. Nailed it. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon.